Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you an install we've done today is on a BMW X2. So as you can see, this is the original screen of the car. The MMI boxes are hidden, all tucked away, so you don't see any physical connections other than a USB cable which comes with the system, which is good for playing movies or music on, charging your phone even. So yeah, as you can see, this is the EVO setup. Now it works in EVO, I'll say this is the EVO menu setup, should I say, so it's on a lot of the newer BMWs today, normally 17 or 18 plate onwards sort of thing. They will work in cars with the original touchscreen as well as non-touchscreen systems, so just be mindful there they won't actually be touchscreen in the MMI box side, which is the CarPlay Android Auto side, but they work fully in conjunction with the round command paddle in between the seats, just the iDrive command paddle, as I say. So what I'm going to do is switch over. All you need to do is hold down the media button, menu button, apologies, hold down the menu button, and this will take you into the aftermarket side. As you can see, I'm going to use the command paddle. I have preset Android Auto up on the Android phone just for the demonstration purposes, just to quicken things up, but as you can see, this is the home page of the MMI box. I'll just go through a little brief discussion on the MMI side, which is this home page here. Now just be mindful that these systems tend to come with the YouTube app, and also they tend to come with the mirror link app here sort of thing, so just be careful when using these, because obviously the YouTube app and the mirror link app is they will be outdated versions. A lot of the factories, well, all the factories we know of are now putting all their money into the licensing of the CarPlay and the Android Auto, and they're not putting any more money into the licensing of the mirror link app. So what you'll find is that it becomes less and less compatible with your phones on the mirror link, and also the way it connects through mirror link is pretty similar to how you would connect on a wireless connection on the Android Auto and CarPlay. So you might find they might conflict with each other, and worst case scenario, we've even seen the mirror link freeze. So don't buy them for mirror link. Other factories will promote it, I won't, I'll be truthful with you. If you want to go and buy it off another vendor who's promoting it and they think it's brilliant, then just take it with risk. But as I say, I don't know any factories that basically have a good mirror link feature on there, so just don't buy them for that. Like, if you want the CarPlay, the Android Auto, great stuff. Same with the YouTube. YouTube tends to connect a similar way to your phone, a phone connection, as you would normally expect to use these. So again, you're going to have like a bit of a conflict here, so don't use the YouTube app. If you do, just be mindful, it could cause problems your end, but as I say, I tend not to sell them with the YouTube. I prefer to just switch it off. Okay, so we fitted a rear camera also today with this. I'll just see if I can try and get this into reverse for you to show you the sensors. There's the camera there we put on today. This is an aftermarket camera, which the boxes tend to have anyway. So let me just switch it back over 1 second. The thing with these, I have to move the car, to be honest with you, to get this back onto the interface one, but as I can't really move the car today, so basically what I'm going to do, I have got the car underneath a shutter, so I can't really move it forward and I can't move it backwards because we've got having some building work done at the back of our unit. So what I'll probably end up doing is just pausing the video. So guys, I've just managed to pull the car forward a little bit there, because as I say, when you put the rear camera on there, it's going to stay on the rear camera until you actually move the car forward. So obviously I'm back on the video now anyway. So as you can see, if I go onto this one here, which is, as I said, just means it's already connected, select that, there you go, and you've got your Android Auto showing up. I'm not having put in my iPhone today, so obviously you're not going to get pretty much what the Apple CarPlay side looks like, but if you go into there, it then shows you applications that's on our phone, shows you the phone, your Messenger, Amazon Music, Google Maps, podcasts, put DAB radio on, SoundCloud, WhatsApp. So pretty much these will do a lot of the apps from your phone. Don't expect it to do YouTube or Netflix or nothing like that, because as I say, the software doesn't support that, but it will support if you download like the TuneIn DAB radio app, or Waze, Copilot, Google Maps, TomTom. It will bring the maps over to your phone. Also, it'll do any music apps like, as you see, SoundCloud, if you YouTube music and stuff like that, and also does all your text messages and stuff. So okay, I hope this is a nice little video for you to see what you're getting out of the system. If you've got any questions, just get in touch with us. We'll leave all our contact details down below in the description, and also a link to the product if you want to go and have a little closer look with it. So thanks for watching, guys, and you have a nice day, and I'll see you soon.